We're seeing clouds and rain making their way through east central Illinois right now. But before that, we did see temperatures get into the 80s, but all that rain is starting to cool us off now. Our highs were in the low 80s, but now we're down into the mid 70s. We're still holding on to 80 over in Terre Haute, but outside of there, we're seeing temperatures between 74 and 76, and we're going to continue to see those temperatures decline because of what's moving towards us, moving through Canada and Missouri right now. We're seeing a system of rain moving towards us. That's going to affect us throughout the night tonight, and you can see it's already beginning to affect us now. We're seeing rain throughout the central portions of the area, but we're going to see rain throughout east central Illinois as we move through the evening tonight. And tonight we are going to cool off into the 50s as well. We're going to see mostly cloudy skies when we're not seeing that rain, but the majority of the early evening and the early morning hours we're going to be seeing that rain. As we move into tomorrow, temperatures are going to get into the 70s. We could start the day with a little bit of rain, but as we get through the day, those clouds are going to begin to clear up and we're going to be left with mostly sunny skies. Again, temperatures in the mid 70s, 75. Really a beautiful end of our day tomorrow, and hopefully that rain will be out of the area before we start our day, before that sun comes up. Looking at our future cast here, we're starting at 11 p.m. now, and again, you see that rain through the central portions of the area. As we move through the evening, we're going to see some heavier rain in the southern areas around Casey or Robinson. That's going to move through relatively quickly. This is around 3 a.m. now. That's going to begin to move out of the area, and by midday tomorrow, we're going to be left with mostly sunny skies, potentially some clouds in the southeastern portions of the area, but by the end of the day, we may be even seeing some sunny skies as well. Now, when this is all said and done, we're looking at just around 1/10 of an inch, so we're not really seeing super heavy rain, just some light rain throughout the evening tonight. Not going to really have much of an effect on our day tomorrow. Really a beautiful day outside of this rain overnight tonight. Moving forward, we're not going to be seeing much rain throughout the next 6 to 10 days. We do have a chance for rain as we move forward, but we're expected to be below average for our rain as we move forward. And you'll see that here starting this weekend, temperatures are going to be in the 70s yet again. That's going to be the story throughout the next 7 days. Wednesday, a high of 76, and we're going to start to see some changes in the wind as we move towards the end of this week. Northeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Not strong winds, but I'll tell you why I'm talking about this in just a second. Eastern winds on Thursday, a high of 77, sunny skies, yet another beautiful day. And then Friday, high of 78 in those northern winds. So we're going northeast to east to north winds, and that's because of a low pressure system that's going to be affecting us this weekend, bringing us some cooler temperatures that it's going to get us closer to fall. Fall's in 11 days, so we're going to be cooling off as we move forward. But first, we're going to stay in the upper 70s. We're out of the 80s now, but looking at our jet stream here, the upper air, we're not seeing much change in this jet stream. We're going to see consistent temperatures, some changes. We just saw some orange jump up, but after that, we're going to stay in these mid to upper 70s as we get towards the weekend. And then Sunday, we have a low pressure system moving through, bringing us the potential for some rain to end our weekend.